So guys, welcome back. Just want to have a chat about what's going on in the marketplace. And we've had a lot of people come at us and speak about caravan prices. Will they go up or will they go down? So marketplace guys, we've been having a conversation with everyone about it. But what the beliefs are out in the marketplace, we have seen inflation, have things changed, have interest rates changed, all that. But as you've seen over the years and years and years of when we go to caravan shows or in the marketplace, for the second-hand marketplace, nothing ever goes down. We can speak about that in any situation. We might have a lull in a marketplace and maybe the demand's not there as what it has been in the COVID situation we speak about, but we've got products that aren't going to go down in price to actually purchase that go into a lot of these things, items, materials, secondary items that go from that, labour, all this sort of stuff. As you can see, what's happening in the marketplace at the moment, spoken about, is all physically going up. So that's not going to make to a marketplace where there might be a special or it might be something like that, where we are the supply and demand, where we might get a bit of growth, where we're seeing stock back in the area. But what we're going to say, guys, is make sure if you're wanting to look in the marketplace and you're still looking around, I don't think sitting around and waiting is going to make a difference to anyone at the moment for what we're going to do. So there is factors that do make a difference. We do have a drama in Aptitude where we finish our sort of working life, which one day I can hopefully get to, where we might have superannuation, downturns, we might have things like that there, which the investment's not there. But guys, if you're out there looking at this marketplace, we're looking at numbers, we've spoken about it. Everything in the marketplace at the moment is working ourselves upwards and going out there, and we're still seeing travel massive in Australia. So if you're looking at it, get out there, get your motorhomes, get your caravans, your hybrid caravans, wind-ups. There's only 120 different items that you can buy. Get out there, camping, enjoy it. Make sure you go and buy one. If you've got any questions, speak to the team. We're here to help. Speak to you soon. Thank you.